I love field trips, but that bus ride, that's why I think it's so awesome that NASA offers 360-degree virtual field trips for everyone. It's all the field trip and none of the bus ride. There are so many ways I could start my trip. With a virtual reality headset, I can visit the SpaceX headquarters. Wow, I'm in Hawthorne, California. Nice. Is that where they eat lunch? Where's Elon? Oh my goodness, an actual Falcon core stage. Look, I'm in the SpaceX Dragon capsule. You don't need VR gear to tour virtually. You can use your smartphone, your tablet, or even your classroom smartboard. As long as you have internet, you can tour right now. Here, let me show you. I want to see where they assemble Boeing CST-100 Starliner. Wow, I'm inside the facility. I would never be able to see this all on my own. I learned so much from these pop-ups. I'm inside Boeing CST-100 Starliner. This is too cool. Now, let's see where the astronauts train. We're in the Space Vehicle Mock-Up Facility. I can look wherever I want. The astronauts train in a pool. Time to go swimming. Wow, astronauts train in one of the world's largest indoor swimming pools. These virtual field trips are so fun. You can see where NASA launches rockets. You can visit the Mission Control Center, and you can go behind the scenes at NASA's space centers. There's so much to experience. All you need to do is click the link below, or visit youtube.com. Type this, NASA Commercial Crew 360 Tour Playlist, and click any of the videos inside the playlist. You can use your mouse to move the camera. Isn't that easy? After you take your virtual field trip, be sure to let us know your favorite experience on social media and use the hashtag NextGenSTEM. We even threw an Easter egg inside the videos. If you find it, let us know. We can't wait for you to go on your virtual field trip and see what you share.